Mobile Modular Portable Storage CustomerHUB Overview. One portal, all of your data. First, create your account fast and easy. Click Create Profile. On the customer registration page, you can add your personal details. Then add your invoice details, which can be found on any invoice. You'll need your contract number, your invoice number, and your account number. You can see them here. Register your account and you're ready to sign in. Once you click register, you will receive an email where you will confirm your registration and enter your password recovery questions, and you're all set. Make sure to check your spam just in case you don't receive the confirmation email. Go ahead and sign in with your unique account. On your homepage, you'll have full access to manage your account from any device. You can manage your units on rent and see how many you have active. You can see if you have any pending pickups, and you can see if you have any pending deliveries. Easily see your balance overview. Below, you have an interactive map where you can see all of your equipment rented and where it's located. If you go to the top, you can see orders. Here, you will see all of your orders. You have multiple options for your orders. Do you need a service for one of your units? Select the order you need a service for. Go ahead and request a service. Select the description of the service you may need, and after, put in your site contact information and a customer service representative will get in touch with you. Do you need to relocate a unit? Schedule it easy online. Input the new desired date, location, and site contact. If you need to reorder a unit, the portal makes it easy. Select the unit and reorder. Confirm and select the desired quantity. Here you can review your contact information. Make sure to list any additional equipment types or services requested in the comments box. Now let's look at invoices. You'll see all invoices and unpaid invoices. You have the ability to pay, print, download, or even export a list of all your invoices. Need to make a payment quickly? Select an invoice and click Pay Now. You can also download any invoice you'd like. Select an invoice you want to download and click Download Selected Invoice. Let's look at Documents. If you click Documents, you have an option to enter the contract number. Here you will see all relative documents related to that order. At the top, you'll have My Account. Here you can view your personal details, you can change your password, you can update your payment information, and if you have multiple accounts, you can view them all in one location. Just email us to get it set up. Your customer portal makes it easy to request a quote. Add your details and a customer service representative will be with you shortly. You can also switch to your other accounts for quick management. Here you can see your other accounts and what units you may have rented. Then switch right back. You have any questions? Contact customer support. The CustomerHUB, one portal, all of your data. Create your account today with Mobile Modular Portable Storage.